What's up, YouTube? What's up, guys? Back at it again with another video. Today, guys, we're going to be ripping some cello packs that I found out there in the wild. Today I'm on the hunt. I went to my local Target and bam, there was some packs left. Pretty stoked to find these in the wild. Got lucky. There was a limit of 5, so I picked up 5 packs. Before I get this ripping, I want to give a shout out to my buddy BA Sports Arena. Check out his channel. He does a lot of sports videos. Also another shout out to my buddy Frank and aka Frank. Also another shout out to my buddy Jeremy and Jordan out from Salinas. So shout out to you guys. This video is for you guys and everybody out there watching. So yeah, we're gonna get into this rip right here, this NBA hoops. You can pick these up at your local Target for $7 a pack. Not bad. I think 30 cards in a pack ain't too bad for $7. I'm a big fan of the Tail Explosion cards parallels. Those cards look sick. So hopefully in these 3 packs we can pull a explosion card, and that'll be cool. So further ado, let's get to ripping. Hope everybody's having a good day. As for me, just kind of got back from a little hunting and picked up some groceries and kind of chilling in the man cave. So thought I'd rip these packs for you. I haven't ripped these NBA hoops. I ripped the blaster of hoops before, but not the pack. So let's see what we can pull. I think that might be our script maybe. I don't know. Who knows? Let's see what we got here, guys. Here it is. Tim Hardaway Jr., Marvin Bagley III, Marcus Smart, Colin Sexton. Turn it around. Gary Harris, Killian Hayes, Kevin Durant, Holiday, Bryce Maxey, Kanku, Obi Top. Shout out to TTM Mike. He's a Knicks fan. Let's see. Ready, Bill. Boston. And we got our slam card. Who do we got? The blueprint Stephen Curry. Let's go. Take him. And I think we have an explosion card in the back, guys. You see that right there? That shiny card? Let's go. Let's do this. Let's go. Get our little Stephen Curry right there again. We'll take him. Durango Russell, and bam, there we got that explosion card parallel, guys. Look how shiny these are, man. Yeah, Bojan Bogdanovic. These cards look sweet. Big fan of them, so that'll be cool. Cool looking cards. Right behind there we got a rookie of Jeremy Robinson, Edwards rookie, David Johnson rookie, Kumar rookie, Springer rookie, Josh Christopher rookie. Let's go. Not too bad, not too shabby, guys. Let's get in with the second pack. Hopefully we can pull another explosion. That'll be sweet. Like I said, you can find these at your local Target for $7 out the door, I believe. So, man, this pack is a little hard to open. It's razor there. Second pack. Got a Stephen Curry. Let's go. Kevin Williams. Upside down. Cam Martin Jr. Anthony Davis. Jack Grant. Jordan. Robert Mitchell. Al Turner. Reggie Blake. Paul George, Anthony Edwards, John Johnson, Bam Adebayo, Kyle, and I think we have another explosion card behind here. Kyle Anderson, Joe Edwards, Sky View. We got a LeBron James. Let's go. This is sweet. And an explosion card is going to be Keon Johnson. Let's go. Carter Street rookie. Let's go. Oh, what's this behind this one? This is sweet. What's this? That is sweet, yo. Brady Bell. Skyview. Look at that. That is sweet. Nice. Put him on a little stand here. That is nice, yo. Stand him up right there. There's a sweet looking card. Let's finish the pack off. Prima rookie, a Todd rookie, Jared Butler rookie, Durant rookie, Williams, and Cameron Thomas. Let's go. Not too bad, guys. That pack was pretty fire. All right, guys. Last pack. Let's go. Last pack mojo, baby. Last pack mojo. Let's go ahead and open that. Wow. Looks like these packs contain each pack contains one of those hits, man. That's pretty sweet. Explosion cards. That is sweet. Let's go. Let's get into it. Gordon, Williams, Zion Williams, Basil, Devin Booker, Brooke Lopez, Ben Simmons, Tyrese Ross, Luck, Josh Richardson, Steven Adams, Justin Holiday, Zach Lee, Randall, Kyle Kuzma, James Smith, Roberts, and our freaking Flyers, Rudy Gobert, and a Ja Morant. Let's go. And we got our explosion card coming up, and it's Joe Harris. There it is, Joe Harris. That is sweet. Ken Johnson, Luke Garza, Jermaine Robinson rookie, Edwards rookie, David Johnson, and the last card is Jonathan Kuma. There you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. If you are new to my channel, like what you see, please subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know which one's your favorite card. Till then, guys, thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Peace.